5 inches, my ass, Uncle Kevin. It's 5 feet.
You need to, Gus.
Yeah. This is the only way I get going.
Not really, though. What's the scoop?
We're getting ready to go in with Sis. We called an audible. I was going to shoot tonight and go to a farm that we haven't been at in a while, but the wind doesn't look great. Tomorrow's the last day of muzzleloader season, but we're going in tonight, same spot that we got it done with Cody last night. We just had bad luck on that deer. We couldn't find him. But that deer might show up in there again, and if he don't, there was so many new bucks that came in there last night after we left. I think we're gonna shoot one, and Sis isn't picky, so
she can shoot whatever.
She shoot. We told her anything she wants to lay down, she can put it down. So if it's a doe and she wants to shoot it, shoot her, and if it's a buck, doesn't matter how old, how big, we're putting it down.
Today's January 7th. We're back where I shot my first deer, hoping I can lay one down tonight. Haven't been hunting since I had my daughter, which has been about 3 years, so fingers crossed.
First time shooting a gun, too.
Yeah, first time shooting a gun. A little nervous, but we'll be okay.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares, thoughts build up until I can't hear,
Carabunga.
my mind fills up into a creature.
I just smoked a doe. Came up this way, came around. I couldn't get a shot on any of them. The one was facing away from me. There's a bunch of stuff in the way, and then she put her head up, and I was like, this is the time, so I shot her.
All right, let's go get it. Let's go get her.
Yeah. Well guys, we got her done. I decided last minute I wanted to come out and hunt. It's been a few years, and got this pretty doe.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap, guys.
Literally just bought your tag a little
Just
bit
bought
ago.
my tags. I was feeling pretty confident, but yeah.
I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me.